This video reviews the process of how to defer an activity for a work order. Only supervisors, leads, controllers, and senior controllers can defer an activity. Once logged into N4EAMS, go to the work order screen. In the search field, enter and search for the work order. In the Record View tab of the work order, verify that the status is released. Work orders that are completed or canceled cannot have an activity deferred. Click on the Activities tab and highlight the line that needs to be deferred. In the Activity Details section, ensure that the system level, assembly level, component level, and all required fields have been filled in. Using the right side scroll bar, scroll down to the deferred reason. To choose a deferred reason, select the spyglass, click the deferred reason, and select OK. Check the Deferred Maintenance checkbox and submit the record. The activity has now been deferred and can be verified by the checkbox in the Deferred column in the grid. This concludes the review. Thank you for watching.